Hi all, today I want to tell you about Bit.tube. So this is kind of like a decentralized version of YouTube, and it runs on a blockchain, which everybody these days are into blockchains. This is a decentralized video platform where you upload your videos and you get paid in their kind of cryptocurrency. Is called Tube. If you search up on the coinmarketcap.com there, it's under BitTube and the symbol, I guess their symbol is Tube, T-U-B-E. And here you can upload videos and get paid in their cryptocurrencies in which you can, I guess you can keep and wait until the price goes up even more, or you can transfer it to your own exchange and exchange it to a cryptocurrency that you like. So here is kind of the dashboard where you have the different subscribers, subscriptions, and profile and all that. And here, right here on the sidebar, it opens up to show you the home. Here are, I think, the videos that they randomly put out by the Bittubers. And you can search through, there's tons of them right now. There's more and more people getting onto this platform and uploading videos to earn kind of like an income. Here are the trending ones, which is kind of similar to YouTube, but they don't have the other sidebar where it has the video. So these ones are, I guess, the ones that people watch more because you can see their higher numbers. So it's not, some people don't have that many subscribers because they're new and stuff like that. So you just have to keep on uploading videos and people will watch them. Here is the newcomer. So I remember another YouTuber said before that in order to encourage more people to get on the platform and not be too discouraged because this is still a new platform, is that every once in a while you could check up this newcomer tab and watch some of the videos that the newbies are putting up and giving them some encouragement, maybe a thumbs up, and watch their whole videos and also, oh yeah, other than uploading the video and getting paid in Tube, you can also watch other people's YouTube videos and you get paid by the amount of time you watch the videos. So the longer time you watch a video, the more tubes, I guess, or collection of tubes that you get. It will accumulate the small fractions into a tube. Right here is where people post up live videos, and I think I heard someone mention that when you have it on live, it's just on live, and it doesn't get kept in, like after it's finished, you finish recording, it doesn't actually go into your channel. I'm not sure about that. Maybe someone can put a comment down below. But as far as I know is that you put your thing on live. When you're on live, after that, it just kind of disappears. Yeah, so that's kind of, it should actually go into the videos, but so if you're searching for some categories, so this keeps on, yeah, you can just go here and search for the type of video you like to watch. Maybe I'll just put this back up. Subscriptions, I guess this is all the channels that you subscribe to, so they have all the most recent videos of the people that you subscribed to, and you can watch that from here. Right here is the upload media, where you can post up your videos. You can click here to upload the videos on here, and I find it, if it's a short video, it's pretty quick, and after that it won't show up in your channel right away. It actually has to kind of do some work from behind the scenes, and then once your video is up, like it tells you that you've uploaded it, but then it's still some time before it goes, and it will have a notification up here like mine is doing. There's a once, then that means your video will be already on your channel. So let me see. And a very convenient thing of this platform, the BitTube, is that they now allow you to connect with your YouTube and actually transfer all your videos from YouTube up into this channel. It takes a little while. If you don't have that many videos, it's pretty quick, I guess, but some YouTubers have maybe years of YouTube videos, and they will take a little while, but it'll eventually get up on this platform. So the reason I actually am on this channel, because I don't have very many videos, but people were saying that because this is decentralized and it can't really be controlled, and there's not, I don't think there's any censoring on this, that people like this better because on YouTube, their videos, some of them, if YouTube finds it inappropriate or whatever, they will kind of censor your video, or they'll make it harder for other people to find it. So that's why I've come over to YouTube to have a look and try uploading some videos. Uh, and also another thing is that people were mentioning that since YouTube is centralized, and same with platforms like Google, Twitter, Facebook, things like that, is that maybe one day they, for whatever reason, they don't want people to have information. Maybe they'll just take all those platforms down, and then for all the people that have video up there, they might lose all their video, right? And this is, I guess, right now is gearing more towards the people that are getting banned and maybe not earning as much on YouTube, that they're coming over here because they know they can earn in cryptocurrency, which is, I find, is like the money of tomorrow. So yeah, so there is the one. You can just click this button and do. I think there's some other stuff that you might have to do, but it's very quick because I just transferred over one of my own videos, so it's very fast. So here, let's see, live category subscriptions upload. So this, when you click on it, it actually shows your wallet address, and it will take a little while because if it's the first time you've used this platform, when you click on it, it will say wallet is syncing or something. It will keep on syncing. So you'll have to be patient and wait a little while because it's the first time. I think it'll have to create a wallet for you. And then if you're into cryptocurrency, you know the wallet address is a long number and letters line of whatever the address. Yeah. And then in order for you, some people want to know how much tubes they're earning and how many people are, watching their videos for how long, kind of thing. You can go over to Bit.tube Airtime. So let's see, it's https explore.bit.tube /airtime.html. Yeah. So here you can paste in your wallet address, your username or whatever, and then you click on here. But you might want to check here that the date is more in the past to get all the readings for how much your channel is actually earning. So here because I'm new here and my videos are probably not very interesting, that I have only I think 1 minute 85 whatever people watching it, and then I earned 0.046 blah 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 tubes. So that's the cryptocurrency that you earn on BitTube. And then let's see, yep, that's my thing. And then my watching hours, total watching hours, I watched 10 hours and 26 minutes, and from that I earned 6 tubes. Yeah, around 6 tubes. And that's how it kind of works. Let's go back here. So I'm just back here. Yeah, so that's the dashboard. So if if you kind of want to look for another option, as in video platforms where you upload your videos, you get paid for it, you don't get censored, BitTube might be the platform you are looking for. So yeah, so that's it. My videos, yeah. So this one right here, the Debitum token network platform. I just put that video. I transferred it over from YouTube using the upload button thing here. Yeah, right here. And it was pretty quick. I thought it was pretty quick. But then after you upload, like I said, you gotta wait maybe a few minutes until it pops up notification says that they put your video onto your channel. So that's it. So yeah, that's it. Okay, bye.